Hello, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to another episode of Case Brief, brought to you by the Missouri Sheriff's Association. Before we get started, I want to remind everyone that this information is for training purposes only and in no way is to be considered legal advice. Today, we focus on a Missouri Supreme Court case involving traffic stops. Our goal is to provide a clear understanding of how such cases unfold. Remember, this content is educational and not legal advice. So, let's dive into the details. In the early morning hours, a police officer stopped Chad Thomas for a broken headlight. Thomas's behavior during the stop was peculiar and raised suspicions. He rolled down the rear window instead of the front and struggled to find his driver's license. His nervous demeanor added to the officer's concerns. These actions set the stage for further investigation. Thomas exhibited several unusual behaviors that caught the officer's attention. He mentioned having a sharp, a term linked to drug use. Additionally, he blocked the officer's view and lied about having his license. These actions contributed to the officer's decision to extend the stop. The situation escalated as a result of these behaviors. Given the circumstances, the officer decided to call for a canine unit. The canine's alert to the presence of drugs justified further search. The officer's decision was based on reasonable suspicion. This step was crucial in the unfolding of the case. It demonstrated the officer's adherence to procedure. The Circuit Court of Saline County reviewed Thomas's motion to suppress the evidence. The court found the officer's actions were justified based on Thomas's behavior. The extension of the stop was deemed reasonable to verify identity and address the outstanding warrant. The evidence was admitted, leading to a guilty verdict. Thomas was sentenced to 10 years in prison. The Missouri Supreme Court took up the case for review. It affirmed the Circuit Court's judgment, supporting the officer's reasonable suspicion. The court highlighted the totality of Thomas's behavior, including nervousness and evasive actions. This decision underscored the legality of the detention and search under the Fourth Amendment. It set a precedent for similar cases. This case sheds light on the complexities of traffic stops and legal procedures. It emphasizes the importance of reasonable suspicion in extending stops. The officer's actions were validated by the courts based on observed behavior. Such cases illustrate the balance between law enforcement duties and individual rights. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for both officers and citizens. In conclusion, this case highlights key aspects of traffic stop procedures. It demonstrates the role of behavior in determining reasonable suspicion. The court's decisions reflect careful consideration of legal standards. Such cases help shape future law enforcement practices. They offer valuable insights into the judicial process. Thank you for joining us. We hope this brief provided valuable insights into traffic stop procedures. Stay tuned for more episodes of Case Brief brought to you by the Missouri Sheriff's Association. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe today.